Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Rosemary font on this device. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display section. After that, scroll down, click on Font Size and Style, go into Font Style, and tap on Download Fonts. Finally, select Rosemary 1 and hit Install. Now you can apply your font style right away by hitting Apply at the bottom right corner, or simply go back and tap on it on the list. So when I do that, as you can see, my Rosemary font was successfully installed and applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!